Hi guys, welcome to Jhummy's Kitchen. This is another episode of Jhummy's Kitchen. You're welcome here. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to this channel. And to my old returning subscribers, I thank you so much. Today I'm making the juiciest beef stir fry you can ever get. Yes, you heard me right, juiciest stir fry that you can ever get. So this recipe pairs well with spaghetti, rice, yam, potatoes, and so on. So do well to try this out, okay? Alright, so let's get right into the video. So the first ingredient is my beef. Here is my beef. You can as well use chicken if that's what you prefer, but today I'm using beef for this recipe. Then scotch bonnet. I'm using just one because I don't want it really hot. Then my bell pepper, my red bell pepper, and also my green bell pepper. I'll be using some carrots. They've been washed and cleaned. Then I'm using onion. I'm also using spring onion with some other spices which I'll put in the description box. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is to cut my beef into the shape I want. So I'm trying to divide it into two so it will be flat to some extent. I don't want it thick so it can get cooked properly. So right now I'm cutting into this shape. Next I'll be marinating the beef. This is chili pepper. Then I'll be adding some garlic powder to it and my seasoning cube. Then some soy sauce into this marinade. You can check the description box for the exact measurements of the ingredients I'll be using. So you have to combine it properly. For this process I'll be using my hands, so I actually like doing this to make sure it is properly marinated. So by this you are sure that all the spices get into the beef. Then set it aside and let us prep our ingredients. So I'll be cutting this bell pepper into stripes, This is the preferred shape for this recipe. You can as well decide to cut it into any other shape that you want, but this is the shape I'll be using, so this is perfect for me. So this is corn flour. This is what will make it juicy actually. It thickens the sauce. I just added some soy sauce to it, and next I'll be adding water. Yes, so I'll mix it properly until I get the right consistency that I want. So this consistency is perfect for me. What I'll be doing next is frying the meat. I have my properly marinated meat, beef, so I'll be frying it with little oil. So for this process, you do it for 8 minutes so that it can get, and mind you, it has to be on medium heat, not low heat, not high heat, so it fries properly. At some point the beef will release some juice, but never mind, keep frying. So you can only take them out when you have it looking like this. Then I add oil to the pan after disposing that other one, and onion. All of this I'm doing on medium heat. Onion, fry for a few minutes, stir fry for a few minutes. Then my carrots. All of this does not take time. Don't fry it too much so it doesn't lose its freshness, and so you can have crunchy vegetables. So fry it. I've added my scotch bonnet. Next I'm adding my green bell pepper and my red bell pepper. Stir it together so it is well combined. My spring onion. Then my thickener. This will add the juice to the sauce. And I'm reintroducing the fried meat, the fried beef into it. Stir it well to properly combine. Please, if you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Like this channel, like this content, and if you want to see more of things like this, please let me know in the comments below. I'm adding some seasoning cube and a little salt to my sauce because I realized I still need some salt in this sauce. So at this point you can taste it. If you're okay with the taste, then no need to add extra Maggi or salt to it. Stir properly, and then your stir fry is ready. All of this you can do under 10 minutes. This old recipe, so do well to try out yours. My sauce is looking all ready and I'm happy. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. This is what it looks like. I'll be having it with rice. Come join me. Please like this content and subscribe to this channel. I love you all. Bye.